on.
Alright, well let's check it out and then we'll come back.
Okay. Buying clothes for my
thank you so
dad.
much.
Oh, she's yelling things.
No, they don't. That here, of course, is the new weapon you ordered.
Hey, Natalia.
Oh my god.
I love you. Hey, Cal. Hi. Yeah. Too late. I already got your face.
Oh my god.
I win. They get some hot chocolate. Burn, baby, burn. Shut your mouth. Yeah, I'm a fat kid. What are you doing? What are you doing? God bless you. Bye.
La